a 9-month-old Brazilian reef octopus, cut off from the retreating ocean. She can't survive long here. But this resourceful young octopus isn't done yet. Up above, this is the moment an army of Sally Lightfoot crabs have been waiting for. Low tide is their chance to feed on exposed rocks. This was no lucky strike. It was a carefully planned ambush. The young octopus has learned the crab's regular highway, but she needs 5 a day to keep her growing. And she's working against the clock. The midday sun is shrinking her tidal pool, threatening to leave her high and dry. And as she breathes through moistened gills, she'll suffocate without water. In a cavity behind her head, she stores water to let her breathe. Enough to buy a few more minutes. She must move fast before she dries out. Her fluid body is no longer weightless. Shifting pools is a risky strategy. But with cunning and forethought, she won't be caught out.